Welcome to CarTech, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tools and technology. Join us as we explore curated collections of innovative tools for every project imaginable. The 3-in-1 electric burner is a real godsend for those who are tired of the endless struggle with weeds. And when you change the nozzle, it turns into a barbecue kindling. Heated to 650 degrees Celsius, weeds will be destroyed whether they are in crevices of the sidewalk or between the stones on the path. Cable length of 2 meters, you'll be able to reach the farthest corners of the garden. Designers have tried their best, making it ergonomic. You can work for hours and your hand will not get tired. Aluminum and ABS plastic make it strong and durable, which means it will serve you for years. The tool is environmentally friendly, no exhaust fumes, just plug it in and you're good to go. The Fastback Pro Auto Mechanics Bench is the right helper in any auto repair shop. With it, you can move in any direction, all thanks to 3 huge wheels of 7 inches each. They'll go anywhere, whether it's on concrete in the garage or gravel on the street. There are 2 powerful magnetized LED lights on this recumbent. Now you'll be able to peek into the darkest corners under your car. The Fastback Pro has 2 height settings. You can go quite low or go higher for driving on uneven terrain. The shape of the recliner is very comfortable and the wheels make it stable and maneuverable. Made of the same material used to make bumpers, it stays soft and comfortable with a special head cushion. And it also has built-in tool trays, withstanding up to 400 pounds. It will fit absolutely any handyman. Pika Dry Pencil. The lead is rectangular, 2x5mm. This shape is ideal for marking. The lines are clear and very visible. The pencil is equipped with a built-in sharpener so you can sharpen the lead to the nearest millimeter. Built-in organizer for additional rods to the protective quiver. There's a precise guide for the edge when marking and a unique high-tech pressure mechanism, so you'll always get a smooth, clear line without unnecessary effort. Maximum dust and moisture protection is a dream come true for those who work in harsh environments. What's really impressive is that this pencil writes on any surface. Plastic, metal, concrete, wood. It doesn't care about anything, which is great when you're working with different materials. Pika Dry is more than just a pencil. It's your trusted assistant for everything you do. The Black & Decker chainsaw has unique clamping jaws that work like giant scissors. Grab and cut. No fiddling with holding the branch with one hand and sawing with the other. The 4.5 amp motor can even handle the thick branches up to 10 centimeters in diameter. These are just the branches that conventional pruners can no longer take, and a large chainsaw is too lazy to get. The saw has a metal guard that covers the jaws, so you can work safely without the fear of accidentally damaging your hand. The saw is mains powered, and its compact size and lightweight allow you to reach the hardest to reach places in the garden. The vibrating tile setter helps spread the adhesive evenly. No more air bubbles or unevenness. Your tiles will lay perfectly flat. Powered by a 16.8 volt lithium battery, you'll have enough power to work for a long time. And the battery indicator light will tell you when it's time to replace the battery. It only takes 2 hours to charge the battery. 2 batteries are included at once. You'll be able to work without interruption by simply changing batteries. The suction cup has a maximum lifting capacity of 77 pounds. You can easily lift and move even large and heavy materials. For those who love precision, there's a built-in bubble level, so you'll always be sure that the tiles are laying flat. Another handy detail is the flashlight for working in low light. The Gator MicroZip set is a tool for fine sanding. It fits perfectly under your index finger, allowing you to get to the hardest to reach places. The set includes sheets of sandpaper in different grits, so you can go all the way from a rough finish to a perfectly smooth surface with one tool. It has a Velcro attachment, making changing sandpaper quick and easy. The sandpaper is made of premium P-grade aluminum oxide, provides a consistent finish, and helps you achieve a finer final finish. The tool is made of high-density foam, so it is durable, lightweight, and provides a soft sanding surface for exceptional comfort. A special resin coating locks the grit to the paper and helps resist clogging and moisture buildup, extending the life of the sandpaper sheet. The DEWALT insulated refrigerator has a capacity of 25 quarts. It has enough space for lunch for a whole crew or drinks for a large group. It has a rotationally molded design, so you don't have to worry if it accidentally falls over. The insulation is reinforced and pressurized to ensure excellent ice retention and optimal temperature even in extreme heat. The latches on the lid are sturdy and secure and can withstand daily use. Features non-slip rubber feet and a built-in bottle opener. The lid's internal design is optimized to hold an extra battery. A reliable, durable, and efficient refrigerator for work or leisure, it'll keep drinks cold and food fresh wherever you are. Marshalltown Sander, made of sturdy aluminum, but not heavy. A rubber cushion is glued to the aluminum base so that sanding is even and does not damage the surface. The sandpaper clamps quickly and securely fix the paper so you don't have to constantly correct it. Here's the interesting thing. This sander has threads for attaching to a rod, which means you'll be able to reach the ceiling or hard to reach places. The work surface is 9 to 3/8 inch by 3 1/4 inch. If you're planning a serious drywall repair, take a closer look at this tool. It can make your job a lot easier. Roller Squeegee helps you clean paint residue from rollers without getting your hands dirty. When you put it on the roller, it wraps completely around the roller. It has rounded edges so the roller lint is not damaged. Then you tilt it up to create the right amount of pressure and run it down the roller. You can repeat this a few times to get the maximum amount of paint. Now the fun part is the washing. Previously, you would have gotten your hands dirty trying to clean the roller. With this thing, you can safely wash the roller under the tap or in a bucket and your hands will stay clean and dry. Suitable for different roller sizes and diameters. Untwist Tool V2 is a tool that helps to untangle pairs of wires in Cat 5e or Cat 6 cable. It is very easy to use. You press the button, the head starts to rotate, and you slowly feed the pair of wires and it is unraveled without any effort on your part. This tool not only untangles but also straightens. You can either press the wire against the hole of the head or use the special grooves on the side. On a single charge, the device can untangle about 2,400 pairs of wires, and when the battery is dead, a full charge will only take 45 minutes. A very compact and easy to use helper. The Bonfu automatic wire stripper will make stripping wires much faster and easier. It doesn't require much effort, just squeeze the handle. It works with wires from 14 to 24 AWG, both solid and stranded. It has an adjustable stripping length limiter. Set it once and all wires will be stripped equally. Very convenient if you have a large volume of the same type of work. This eagle nose allows you to work in narrow places, for example in junction boxes or switchboards, where a conventional stripper simply does not fit. Made of durable materials, carbon steel and nylon, while it is lightweight and comfortable in the handle is non-slip, making it comfortable to work with even for long periods of time. Wolfcraft's angle clamp set. They are universal, suitable for boards from 0.4 to 0.9 inches thick. You can use them for almost any home project, whether it's a small cabinet or a picture frame. You can install with one hand, leaving your other hand free to hold the part or tool, which is handy when you're working alone. They automatically adjust to the thickness of the board due to the spring system. No need to twist or adjust anything. Made of durable fiberglass, they will last a long time. With soft, non-slip pads on the clamping surfaces, your piece will be securely clamped, but there will be no clamping marks. Do you know who these clamps are a godsend for? For those who like to make furniture with their own hands. With them, you can not only fix parts at right angles, but also simultaneously drill and drive screws. Set of 3 pieces of magnetic screwdriver rings. To maximize ease of use, slip the ring onto the screwdriver bit and the screw is now firmly seated. These rings don't just hold, they also reduce wear on both the screw itself and the screwdriver. The ring fits 1/4 inch shank bits, which is the standard size, so they are compatible with almost any screwdriver. Made of steel, they will last a long time. Handy when you need to work with magnetically sensitive electronics. Band screwdriver Makita runs on a battery of 18 volts and really makes life easier, especially if you often have to screw a lot of screws in a row. The motor speed is up to 4,000 RPM. It can work with screws from 1 inch to 2 1/8 inch long. There's a special guide for screws. It does not let the tape get tangled and folded up when you put the tool away for storage. The AutoFeed body is made of aluminum and protected from dust. so the mechanism will run smoothly and last a long time. The tool is compact. Despite its performance, it is comfortable to hold and work in hard-to-reach places. The LumberJack 2-inch commercial spike cutter is designed for those who want to make furniture from logs. The principle of operation resembles a stationary pencil sharpener. Drill a hole in one log, make a spike on the other, and connect. The body is made of powder-coated aluminum. It is not only lightweight, but also very resistant to damage. The sharp blades are made of high-carbon steel. On one sharpening, they are capable of making about 1,000 spikes. 2 cutting edges allow you to do the job faster and better. The 60-degree shoulder angle is the standard for traditional rustic furniture. It has a replaceable shank, so if it suddenly breaks, you don't need to change the whole tool. The peculiarity of this cutter is that it is suitable for logs with a diameter from 2.5 inch to 4.5 inch. You can work with both thin and fairly thick workpieces. The JPT 200-watt laser cleaner is capable of cleaning metal with micron precision. The laser cleaner works in pulse mode, which means short but powerful shots of the laser. This approach allows you to effectively remove rust, paint, and various coatings without damaging the metal itself. It is especially good for working with precise details and shapes. The ergonomic backpack design makes it easy to move around the job site, and the air cooling eliminates the hassle of liquids. Just turn it on and work. Pulse cleaning has a number of advantages. It's less likely to damage metal, allows you to clean with incredible precision, gives you the ability to precisely target the right area, and is less likely to wear out the lens of the unit itself. The WEN Compact Circular Saw is a small but very powerful helper for everyone who likes to make repairs or work with different materials. The motor is 4.2 amps. The disc spins at a speed of 4,500 revolutions per minute. I especially want to note the function of plunge cutting. You can adjust the depth to 1 inch and make neat cuts where you need. It is very convenient. For example, when laying laminate or working with drywall. The set includes 3 different discs, for metal, tile, and wood. There's even a laser pointer to make the cuts perfectly straight. Another nice bonus is the dust collector. The 2-meter tube keeps your workplace clean, and the guide bar ensures precision for long cuts. The Makita blower, powered by a 40-volt battery, is as powerful as a corded tool, but you're not tied to an outlet. You can use it on a construction site, in the workshop, or just to clean your computer keyboard. This is Makita's new generation of cordless tools that gives you more power and runtime. If you're tired of dusting hard-to-reach places or want a powerful cleaning tool on hand, take a look at this blower. It can be your trusty helper in a variety of situations. Precision torque wrench, designed to work with bolts that need to be tightened with a certain force. This wrench is special. It has a split beam. You simply set the desired torque, no effort, no springs under load, no complications. The head is articulated, can easily reach hard-to-reach places and work at different angles. It's very convenient when you have to torque nuts in restricted places. The drive size is 1/2 inch. Electric ice scraper from Karcher, a compact handheld device with a rotating disc. Battery operated, so no wires. The disc is 11 centimeters in diameter with 6 plastic blades, and it spins at 500 RPM. The battery here is powerful, at 2,500 milliamp hours. With one charge, you can clean the car several times. Using the squeegee is easy. You turn it on, apply it to the glass with a little pressure, and drive it on the surface. It's lightweight, comfortable in your hand, and much more comfortable than a regular squeegee. WheelDoctor from CarTech. The device can repair alloy wheels with damage up to 1 mm deep. And guess what? It's approved by the TÜV, the German Technical Inspection Organization, so you can rest assured in quality. In most cases, you don't even need to remove the tire from the rim. You simply fix the wheel on the WheelDoctor with the central lock. The machine uses different grinding wheels to remove scratches and dents. It has a special movable arm that allows you to reach even the hardest to reach places. At the same time, you always have a good view of what you are doing. If the disc is painted, then after grinding, it can be immediately painted in the desired color and varnished. For diamond ground discs, there is a special structural lining technology that restores their unique look without removing any metal. Super Brush Double Brush Sander from Supermax Tools. It can do just about anything related to wood surface finishing. This machine does a great job not only with raw wood, but also with already finished surfaces. You can use it to sand primer, varnish, to matte surfaces before painting. Superbrush can handle complex profiles, which makes it indispensable for furniture and decorative elements. If you like to give a second life to old boards, this machine will help you clean them and prepare them for a new use. Using wire brushes, the Superbrush can pull out soft wood fibers to create interesting textures. It's a great way to give your products a unique look. The Milescraft 1342 Euro Hinge Jig is a real boon for installing concealed hinges. Firstly, this jig has two adjusting screws that help to position the hinge cup hole precisely from the edge of the door. A special pin sets the distance from the top or bottom. This fixture has a metal drill guide that locks into the conductor. It ensures that the hinge cup hole is perfectly flat. The housing has inbuilt guide sleeves to pre-drill guide holes in the 4 most common locations. This ensures that the hinges are evenly positioned and the door closes properly. Included is a 1/16 inch diameter drill bit for these very guide holes. The left and right sides of the fixture have special depth stops for the included 35mm drill bit. The removable marking guide, which detaches from the bottom of the fixture, allows you to transfer and mark the center lines and hinge location on the cabinet wall or frame. This Modify 3D Pro is a real helper in finishing your 3D models. It allows you to quickly and easily correct any imperfections after printing, without spending hours sanding and filing. With temperature control up to 450 degrees Celsius, you can work with a wide variety of materials. The Modify 3D Pro heats up to operating temperature in 25 seconds. It comes with 10 special coated nozzles to prevent plastic from sticking. There are nozzles for smoothing, for creating holes, for detailing, in general, for all occasions. The tool is lightweight and comfortable to hold in your hand. There is an LCD on the body, which shows the current temperature. There are also standby and sleep modes. The tool itself reduces the temperature if you don't use it. It comes with a stand so you can safely put the hot tool down. The Worx Sharp can sharpen any knife quickly and easily, just like a professional. It has 3 different sharpening surfaces. It's like having 3 sharpening stones in one. There's a medium and fine grit diamond surface for quick sharpening and a ceramic surface for finishing. Just turn it and you can change the type of sharpening. This sharpener has special guides and you can choose between a 20 or 25 degree sharpening angle. The Worx Sharp bench stone has a pivot response feature. This means that the sharpening surface sort of follows the curve of the blade. Your knife will be sharpened evenly along its entire length. But if you need a hard surface for sharpening other tools, this function can be switched off. SMARTSTRAPS retractable ratchet straps makes transporting goods much easier and safer. They make it possible to secure a motorbike, a boat, or even a refrigerator in 15 seconds. These slings are self-tightening, just pull, hook, and tighten. They can withstand loads up to 3,000 pounds at the break, and the safe working load is 1,000 pounds. So you can rest assured that your load isn't going anywhere. They have special S-shaped hooks with a coating that won't scratch the surface, so you don't have to worry about scratching your brand new motorbike or boat. These slings have ergonomically designed handles that are padded. This means you can tighten them as much as possible without rubbing calluses on your hands. Last but not least is the Smart Web technology. This is a special development of SMARTSTRAPS that makes the webbing stronger and more resistant to abrasion, so these slings will last you a long time. I'm going to tell you about a cool electrician's level from WEHA. It's not just a tool, but a real work assistant. Its trick is that you can see the bubbles even at an acute angle. It has special scales on it so that you can easily take measurements from different positions. Even if you look from above, you can see everything clearly. Do you often find yourself leaving ugly marks when marking lines? Forget about it. This level allows you to make markings without stopping, thanks to the solid body. It's a godsend for installing sockets. There are adjustable marks for marking up to 4 boxes. It is compact and can easily fit into a work suitcase. This level is a real godsend. It will simplify your work, save time and space. The POWERDUCTION 10R is a tool that heats metal by induction and jammed parts are easily separated. The induction heater is lightweight and compact, can be carried on your shoulder. It has a power of 1,250 watts and works from a regular socket. It has overheat and overload protection. Even if you accidentally press the button, nothing terrible will happen. It comes with a case and 5 different nozzles. There are spiral wires of different diameters for different parts. There is a flexible braided cord for large parts, like an exhaust pipe. Even a straight wire, which you can bend yourself as needed. To work, you need to select the required nozzle, wrap it around the part, press the button, then the part is heated and can be disassembled. Speedheater Rapid Slim is not just an infrared heater, but a real savior for those who are involved in renovation and restoration. Rapid Slim does the job of removing old paint from wooden surfaces quickly, safely, and importantly, environmentally friendly. The trick with this model is that it's twice the size of the standard version, but works twice as fast. Thanks to this, you can easily get to the most hard-to-reach corners. It not only removes paint, you can get rid of old glue, varnish, and even hardened putty. It comes with a window toolkit, a corner support, and a handy storage box. Everything is thoughtfully designed for maximum efficiency. Rapid Slim is especially good on large flat surfaces. What's important, this method is very gentle. No chemicals, just a gentle infrared heat. TREX One-Step TL is a tool for installing concealed fasteners. It allows you to install fasteners in one step. Thanks to the special nose cone that perfectly matches the head of the screw, you hit the target precisely every time. The handle has a special storage space for the star bit. It is always at hand. It will never get lost. An important point, this tool only works with TREX Hideaway Universal Fasteners. You have to buy them separately, but trust me, it's worth it. This tool doesn't just speed up your work, it makes it more enjoyable. No more uneven seams or protruding screw caps, everything is smooth and beautiful. The angled jointing set is a godsend for carpentry enthusiasts. It is all metal, made of durable aluminum, it is lightweight, so it won't rust and cools down quickly. This set is versatile and allows you to make holes any distance apart. You just adjust the distance to the right size. It can be split into 2 parts, so if you need to work with a narrow board, just detach one part. It has special scales for measuring the thickness of the board and the length of the drill bit. No complicated calculations. Everything is simple and straightforward. The kit comes with everything you need to work. Drill, screwdrivers, screws of different sizes, even wooden plugs to hide the screw caps. You can use it almost anywhere, for cabinets, tables, shelves. It works with both hard and softwood and even fiberboard. PinDoctor is a handy and efficient tool for quick removal and installation of hinge pins on door hinges. It makes door installation work as easy and convenient as possible. One of the main advantages of the PinDoctor is its transparent housing. This allows you to easily and carefully remove the pin with just one blow of a hammer. The PinDoctor features a flat mounting surface that allows you to get the job done without damaging the hinges. The steel striking pin integrated with the base transfers more force to the hinge pin, making the job even more efficient. Conductor for the installation of drawers. It is suitable for both framed and frameless cabinet furniture. It has special stops and tabs for precise alignment. You know what else is cool? This conductor has a large clamping area. You can securely clamp it to the cabinet and it won't move while you're working. This conductor can be flipped upside down. When you attach the rails to the cabinet, it faces inward. When you need to attach the drawer itself, just flip it outward. Another plus is the built-in level. With it, you will immediately see if your cabinet is installed unevenly. This will help you avoid problems in the future. There are 8 rubber pads on each side of the conductor. Not only do they reduce slipping, but they also protect the cabinet surface from scratches. The Milescraft 1341 drawer jig is a true helper for anyone who wants to install drawers quickly, easily, and professionally. Ronalap Furniture Casters includes 4 3-wheel casters, 1 lever, and 4 height extension pads. These casters have a low profile. This means you'll be able to slip them under furniture with little clearance. Plus, there are 3 anti-slip pads on each caster. Your furniture will be secure and protected from scratches. Now for the durability. Each roller can support up to 130 pounds. They spin 360 degrees, making it easy to maneuver even in tight spaces. You'll be able to move your furniture in any direction without much effort. It comes with a special lever with an ergonomic handle. It allows you to easily lift heavy objects to put the rollers under them. Additional pads will help to increase the height, if necessary. Rod Lap Furniture Dolly is a real helper for everyone who likes to move furniture or is planning a renovation. Go Hang It Pro Picture Hanging Kit. The great thing about this tool is its versatility. It fits both sawtooth frames and wire frames. And guess what? You don't have to worry about measuring anymore. This tool detects where to make the nail holes. It has a special magnetic key system. These keys stay securely in place until you need them. You can use them with different types of fasteners for accurate markings. It comes with a built-in level that can be detached. This means you will always be able to hang the picture level. The case contains 85 items for hanging paintings. It has everything from nails to hooks. The case still has room for your extra tools. The Microjig BLADECLEAN saw blade and cutter cleaning system. This is a godsend for those who work with wood and want their tools to always be in perfect condition. It allows you to clean the entire disc in one motion. The system has a magnetic handle that attaches to the saw blade. BLADECLEAN uses industrial-grade aluminum oxide cleaning pads. They get to every nook and cranny of your disc. It comes with a cutter holder that allows you to clean up to 5 different sized cutters at a time. It fits 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 6mm, 8mm, and 12mm shanks. The AutoLine Drill Guide is a drill guide that keeps the drill perfectly perpendicular to the surface. The tool has a 1/2 inch chuck that is mounted on 2 ball bearings. The base has laser engraved center lines. You simply align these lines with the marks on the workpiece and you get the hole exactly where you want it. The base has a special V-groove for drilling round workpieces. The kit comes with a centering pin to ensure the tool is correctly positioned right in the center of the workpiece. Simply press them against the edges of the board and the drill will be exactly in the center. Works with boards up to 3 1/8 inch wide. The drill depth stop has been thoughtfully designed too. It locks in place with a light finger press but cannot be accidentally knocked off. The stop can be adjusted to any position for maximum comfort. It fits all drills, both conventional and cordless. The Craig Pocket Hole Jig XL is a jig for holes. With it, you can create joints twice as strong as conventional ones when working with 2x4 or 4x4 boards. It has guides made of hardened steel. They position the special stepped XL drill bit at the perfect angle for creating holes. The 2 drill guides are perfectly spaced for 2x4 or 4x4 boards. But here's what's really cool. You can easily slide these guides apart and use them separately. The bottom of the conductor has a special Grip Max coating. It keeps the tool from slipping while you're working. If you need to further secure the conductor, an adapter is included for Craig and many other brands of clamps. The Craig Pocket Hole Jig XL works in tandem with special screws and they're designed for maximum holding power. It comes with a material thickness gauge, an easily adjustable drill bit, and a depth stop. The body is made of impact-resistant polymer and steel guides ensure that the Craig Pocket Hole Jig XL will be your faithful helper for years to come. Bessey 4800 S Series Bar Clamp. They allow you to clamp anything with nearly 5,000 pounds of force. The bar clamp is 24 inches long, which means you'll be able to work with some pretty large parts. The clamping depth of 7 inches allows you to reach the middle of wide boards or panels. The sturdy construction and quality materials ensure that it can withstand all the loads you put on it. Despite its power, the clamp is quite comfortable to use. Yes, it is heavier than regular clamps, but that's the price you have to pay for such clamping power. But you can be sure that your parts won't go anywhere while the glue dries. WEICON Stripper number 100 is a universal tool for working with cables on ceilings and walls. It is suitable for cables from 4 to 13 millimeters in diameter. This stripper has a preset blade. This means you can make both circular and longitudinal cuts without having to adjust the depth of cut. The WEICON Stripper number 100 is manufactured entirely in Germany. The body is made of a durable fiberglass material that fits comfortably in the hand. The blades are made of high-quality steel. This stripper doesn't just remove the outer insulation, you can also strip internal conductors with it. The WEICON Stripper has been tested by TÜV and carries the GS mark for safety. During its development, special attention was paid to occupational safety and user comfort. The OxPro Tuff level is a model that is virtually impossible to break. The level is made of high-quality aluminum with minimal holes and gaps. Dirt and dust won't get in and ruin the accuracy of measurements. It has rubber bumpers on the ends, they protect the level from bumps and drops, so if you accidentally drop it, it will remain intact and accurate. The Ox Pro Tuff has an accuracy of only plus or minus 0.0005 inches, and the special surface treatment on the top and bottom help keep this accuracy for a long time. Another cool thing is the color of the liquid in the ampules. It's light green and it's great to see even in low light. The Ox Pro Tuff weighs only just 2.81 pounds. The M-Power 8x12-inch triple diamond sharpening whetstone is not just a sharpening stone, but an entire system for creating perfectly sharp tools. It can be used to sharpen any tool to razor sharpness right in your workshop. The tool consists of 3 diamond stones with different grits, 300, 600, and 1200 grit. The total diamond surface area is 66 square inches. The set has 3 leather straps of different stiffnesses for straightening, and they are magnetized for easy replacement. The set comes with 3 types of polishing paste, 1800, 2500, and 5000 grit. With them, you can bring your tools to a mirror-like shine. The surface of the stones is CNC machined and has an accuracy of only plus or minus 0.00175 inch. The entire set is packed in a sturdy canvas case. Fiskars QuikDrill can make perfect holes for flowers or fence posts without the hassle and pain in the back. This drill can make holes up to 100 millimeters in diameter. This is great for planting flowers, perennials, and even fence posts. It can also be used to aerate soil and compost. It has 2 special blades and a spiral head. They are so coolly designed that they can easily pass through the soil without getting stuck on roots or small rocks. This drill has a long steel handle you can work without bending over. The fiberglass reinforced plastic handle provides a comfortable grip. You can work long hours without getting tired. Another cool thing is that this drill can be combined with Fiskars QuikDrill extensions. Want to make a bigger hole? Just add the extension you need. If you love to work in the garden and want to do it with comfort and pleasure, the Fiskars QuikDrill is what you need. It is durable, comfortable, and very efficient. Nyko's Dead Blow Hammer. With this hammer, you will hit and there will be no recoil. This is because the head is filled with steel shot. It hits harder and doesn't bounce back. It also doesn't give off sparks, perfect for working on car bodywork. Its color is bright, neon orange. You'll find it in your toolbox right away, so you won't get confused. It is made with a unibody technology, which means that the head and handle are one piece. There are no weak points, everything is sturdy and reliable. The diamond textured handle won't slip out even after a hard blow. Weighing a handsome 2 pounds, the scraper set from Worx consists of 2 tools, one small and compact for tight spaces and one with a retractable handle for hard-to-reach areas. Now for the blades. There are sharp double-sided blades, powerful single-sided blades that are straight and curved, and even plastic ones, each for its own task. Importantly, each blade is packaged separately. Holding the scraper is a pleasure. The handle is made of rubber and polypropylene, non-slip and comfortable. You can work for a long time with comfort. The long handle has a compartment for storing spare blades. The Dixter sander has many advantages. It is versatile and suitable for various types of work, including sanding and polishing wooden surfaces. The Dixter is very easy to use thanks to its ergonomic design and comfortable handles. You will be able to operate the tool with ease and achieve perfect results. One of the key features of the Dixter is the 1200-watt motor, which ensures high performance and fast work. The tool also features variable speed, allowing you to customize it for specific tasks. The inbuilt dust extraction system helps keep the work area clean and reduces the amount of dust in the air. A cool tool from Wolfcraft, a corner template with marking function. The principle of operation is very simple. You take the 2 plastic legs, place them on the corner of the wall, align them along the wall and fix them with a special lever. This lever can be easily pressed with one hand from either side. Once you have measured the angle, you can immediately transfer it to your piece. It also knows how to mark parallel lines. There's a special scale and a hole for a pencil on the movable leg. Simply set the stop, insert the pencil, and guide the template along the part, and you have a perfectly straight line. This tool comes in handy everywhere, putting laminate flooring, assembling a cabinet, and much more. Another thing, it is very accurate. The scale is marked in 1mm increments, so your corners and lines will be perfect. Craig KD-RV Flip is not just a drill bit, but a real universal helper for amateurs and professionals in the field of woodworking. It is a two-in-one tool. On one side, you have a drill bit, and on the other side, you have a bit for driving screws, so you don't have to constantly change accessories. The drill bit not only makes a guide hole, but also forms a recess for the head of the screw, and the bit on the other side is ideal for screwing them in. Used for various tasks, such as fixing trim panels, connecting corner elements, assembling furniture structures, and much more. It has a quick release mechanism, so you can easily change the bit if you need another one. Camo Drive deck tool is a unique decking installation device that allows you to work standing up. Camo Drive offers 3 methods of attachment: edge, clip, and surface. This makes it a versatile tool for all types of decking, including composite, wood, PVC, and hardwood. With this tool, you'll be able to install decking up to 5 times faster than normal. Designed to be used in conjunction with collated edge deck screws, edge clip/edge X clip, and collated face deck screws. One of the key features of the tool is that it mounts to your drill, whether it is corded or cordless. It comes with 3 quick change mounting guides, making it as convenient to use as possible. Also worth noting is the adjustable mounting depth and the reversible handle, which allows you to operate the tool with either left or right hands. Brush grubber. A handheld grubber will help you get rid of small trees or shrubs up to 8 inches in diameter along with the roots. It has grippers with 5 large teeth and a spring mechanism, holds the trunk or branch firmly without letting it slip, and to avoid damaging the bark, the grippers can rotate 360 degrees. It doesn't just cut the plant, it pulls it out from the root. The tool is made of durable alloy steel that is 1.5 inches thick. The brush grubber is designed to be handled by one person, which is very convenient if you don't have a helper. The E-Tape digital tape measure immediately displays the result on the digital screen when measuring. No trouble reading small divisions or counting millimeters. It is accurate and easy to use, suitable for both home projects and professional jobs, and can measure up to 16 feet. Made of weather-resistant polycarbonate, you can safely work with it in both rain and heat, and the bright red color will keep it from getting lost in your toolbox. This tape measure has 3 memory modes. You can save measurements without writing them down on paper. Another cool thing is the conversion of units of measurement. The tape measure will convert feet to meters and vice versa on its own. All functions are accessible through the side control panel. A couple of taps and you've already saved a measurement or switched between metric and imperial systems. Cool thing for home renovation lovers and professional builders: Safety Nailer Framer. A small but very useful assistant for working with nails. You just insert the nail into a special hole and magnets fix it. Now your fingers are safe. Safety Nailer fits both right and left-handed. Made of durable ABS plastic, it is lightweight yet very strong. Another plus: the Safety Nailer helps the nail go in evenly. Attaches to the arm with an elastic strap. The size is universal. No need to pick up or adjust it. If you often work with the nails or just want to keep your fingers safe for home repairs, check out the Safety Nail Framer. Worx JawSaw WG320 cordless chainsaw. It has a unique guard that completely covers the chain when you're not working. The blade hides inside. This is the only chainsaw that you can see right on the ground. The JawSaw can easily handle branches up to 4 inches in diameter. It runs on a 20-volt battery that fits over 75 other Worx tools. You buy one battery, use it in everything. There is an automatic chain tensioning system, so you don't have to constantly check and adjust it. The saw itself maintains the optimum tension. You don't have to worry about lubrication either. The JawSaw has an automatic chain lubrication system with an oil level indicator. This extends the life of the chaw and makes the cuts smoother. It weighs only 7.1 pounds without the battery. Lastly, about the speed, 1,350 RPM make it one of the fastest in its class. You'll be sawing like a pro. The Fix-It Sticks all-in-one torque driver kit is not just a screwdriver, but an entire workshop in your pocket. The adjustable torque wrench can set the torque you need from 15 to 65 inch-pounds. No over or under tightening. Everything is just right. The set comes with 15 different bits. From Torx to hexes in a variety of sizes, there's a bit for almost any screw. It comes with a T-handle that turns into a full-fledged wrench, all in a compact zippered case that easily fits in the backpack or bag. The set is suitable not only for weapons, but also for bicycles and in general for any precision work. All parts are made of high-quality materials, precision machined and even magnetized for easy handling. The Jokari Quadro is not just a plier, it's a real multi-tool. The main feature of this tool is that it has 4 functions in one body. With it, you can prepare wires, cut, strip insulation, twist strands, and crimp lugs. Quadro works with spooled lugs. You can crimp them quickly and accurately one by one. And if you need to change the size of the lug, just change the magazine. The ergonomic design allows you to work in even the hardest to reach places, and the rugged construction ensures that the tool will last a long time. The Quadro works with wire cross sections from 0.5 to 2.5 square millimeters, covering most domestic and industrial needs. Milwaukee Cordless Drain Cleaner. No more tangled wires, no more tethering to an outlet. Total freedom of movement so you can work anywhere. Handles pipes from 1.25 to 3 inches in diameter, so this covers most home pipes from the sink to the main sewer. It has a cable drive system, so you don't have to manually push the cable through. The machine will do it by itself. Another big plus is the fully enclosed drum, which means all the dirt stays inside instead of flying around your bathroom or kitchen. The length of the cable is 35 feet, which is enough to reach most clogs at home. It runs on an 18-volt battery. This is the same battery used in many other Milwaukee tools. So if you already have tools from this company, you can use the same exact batteries. The Montolit Masterpiuma P3 is a versatile tile cutter that can cut ceramic tiles, porcelain tiles, and even glass mosaics. It has an ergonomic handle with a powerful lever, the most efficient lever of any tile cutter on the market. It can cut tiles up to 25 inches long, which is enough for most standard sizes. A big plus is the folding design. You can easily fold it up for storage or transportation. Made in Italy from cast aluminum and nickel-plated steel, it's durable and weather-resistant, and the cutting element is made of titanium, specifically for working with porcelain tile. It has a self-adjusting marking system, no more need to constantly adjust the tool to different tile thicknesses. Thank you for watching CarTech. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. See you in the next video.